Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Rukhsana Iqbal from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Dear students, this is my lecture number 3 regarding your SVT for the month of June. In previous 2 lectures, we discussed question number 1, 2, 3 and question number 1, 2 and 3. Now this is question number 4 and 5 and this is our last lecture. So question number 4 is draw, color and label the diagram. There are 3 diagrams: plant cells, animal cells and thermometer. You can see it, 3 diagrams, you will draw it. So first one is a plant cell. Plant cell and animal cells, both these diagrams are on page number 31 in your book. This is a diagram of a plant cell. Simple diagram of a plant cell. This outer layer is cell wall. After cell wall, the inner layer is cell membrane. This green area, it is cytoplasm. This brown, it is nucleus, and this area, it is called as a vacuole. And plant cell also have a chloroplast, which helps them to make their own food. There is a difference in the animal cell. The second diagram is of animal cell. The outer membrane in animal cell is a cell membrane. The nucleus is present in the middle of an animal cell. This area, it is called as cytoplasm. All the cell organelles are present in cytoplasm, and there are small vacuoles inside the animal cells. So you will draw plant and animal cells both. If you don't have, you cannot find it in a book, so you can write it from my lecture. This is a plant cell and this is an animal cell. Okay, you can see that the outer layer, it is a cell membrane. This yellow part is called cytoplasm. This pink, it is a nucleus. Nucleus is present in the middle of a animal cell. In your book, it is a simple because your level is 4, grade 4. Okay, so you will draw only cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuoles. Only these 4 labelings. And in plant cell, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, these headings only labeling. Okay, you will label it at the right side with capital words. The next is diagram is of thermometer. You can see a thermometer. It is a thermometer. Now it's in your book. The diagram is on page 79. Here it is on page 79. This is a diagram of a thermometer. It has 2 scales. One is a centigrade scale. You can see here, this is a centigrade scale and this is a Fahrenheit scale. So it has 2 scales. And another thing, this part is called as a bulb, and this red, it is a liquid which is used inside a thermometer. This liquid is called as mercury. Mercury is silver and this one is alcohol. The 2 liquids are used in thermometer, either mercury or alcohol. So this one, the red one is mercury, while आपने देखा होगा, if you check your temperature, so उसमें आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पे सिल्वर भी होता है एक लिक्विड, वो मरकरी होता है. Okay, so mercury or alcohol is used in a thermometer because these two have an ability that to expand. जब ये गर्म होते हैं तो एक्सपेंड होते हैं और एक्सपेंड होके ऊपर की तरफ उठना शुरू हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें ये these are called as scales. This is centigrade scale, this is Fahrenheit scale. ये हमारे पास एक स्केल के इक्वल है. ओके, तो जिसकी वजह से हमें जो है वो फिर टेम्परेचर मालूम कर सकते हैं कि कितनी डिग्री जो है वो टेम्परेचर है. ओके, so you will draw these 3 diagrams in your SVT copy. Then question number 5 is that give some examples of magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials? The materials which are attracted by a magnet. जो materials magnet अपनी तरफ attract करते हैं, those materials are called as magnetic materials. So examples of some magnetic materials are iron, steel, nickel, cobalt. These all are metals. लेकिन कुछ हमारे पास metals ऐसे होते हैं जो कि वीक होते हैं, जो कि मैग्नेटिक, जिनकी मैग्नेटिक पावर जो होती है वो वीक होती है, वो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो सकते ज़्यादा, और कुछ जो होते हैं वो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं। जैसे आयरन को जैसे ही हम मैग्नेट के करीब लेके आएँ तो वो फ़ौरन ही उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होता है। स्टील, निकल, कोबाल्ट, ये सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, ऐसे मेटल्स हैं जो कि मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं। आई होप यू फाइंड I hope you understand this lecture. Now it's enough for today. In next month, inshallah, we'll have your next SVT for the month of July. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.